Hi, I'm Prasanna Ram. I'm the developer of Neurovault Enterprise, an enterprise AI memory infrastructure platform powered by zero-G decentralized infrastructure, and it's powered by Gemini AI. So the main problem we are solving is the traditional AI copilots are stateless, and they forgot previous session and can't retain the enterprise knowledge and lost operational context over the time. So Neurovault solves this by giving AI agent decentralized memory. So our platform allows organization to build AI agent that can remember incidents and retrieve historical context and learn continuous and evolve over the time. So the core architecture combines Gemini AI for reasoning and zero-G infrastructure for decentralized memory and ownership, and open class style orchestration for multi-agent execution. So first, the user will be connected to MetaMask wallet. Yep, the wallet becomes the enterprise identity layer and gives the decentralized ownership to the AI agents. So after logging, the users enter the Neuro wallet workspace. So inside the platform, we have AI copilot, memory intelligent, and agent marketplace, and you can also create an agent and an admin panel. So the most important part is our zero-G integration. So first, let me move to the AI panel. So you can see like the infrastructure status. So let me explain one by one. Like we have used zero-G storage, like zero-G storage act as a memory backbone of a Neuro wallet enterprise. And whenever user interact with an AI copilot, the workflows is the user queries first goes to our orchestrator system. The orchestrator coordinates specialized agents such as memory agent, DevOps agent, and privacy agent, and several more agents. So, and the memory agent retrieve the relevant memory from the zero-G storage. So this memory can include GitHub repository activity and the engineering incidents and the overall workflows and the enterprise knowledge and the AI conversation before storing any data. Any data like a payload, we have encrypt sensitive content using AES 256 encryptions. And after that, the encryption is then uploaded into an zero-G storage as a preside decentralized memory. So then this gives our platform long-term memory presides and decentralized enterprise knowledge and scalable AI native storage and secure memory retrieval. And once the memory are retrieved, the orchestrator injects the contacts into a Gemini app, and the Gemini can generate a context-aware enterprise response. So after the response is generated, the interaction is summarized again and stored back into a zero-G storage. So over the time, the platform continuously builds orchestration intelligence. So then the second major integration is zero-G chain. So we are built on zero-G sign agent registry smart contract. So every AI agents create in Neuro wallet receive a unique agent ID and wallet ownership and metadata and memory profile. So this allow the AI agent to become a verifiable digital entities with a decentralized ownership. So inside the admin panel, like we show smart contract deployment and explore verification and the agent registry status and the zero-G infrastructure connectivity. So the third main zero-G complete ready architecture. So where we have used compute network. So currently, like Gemini powers the reasoning layer, but our orchestration system is designed specifically for a decentralized interface to zero-G network. This means a future interface can run on a decentralized compute provider instead of centralized infrastructure. So now let me go to the integration. So I will click connect, and for connecting GitHub, you need to use your GitHub path token. So I have already taken path token for this demo. So let me paste it over here and just connect. So once I connected, I will move to move to AI Copilot, where now our agent has been connected to GitHub, and you can see the current like what are the GitHub repositories are there. Like I've also pushed our Neuro Wallet project code to GitHub. So let me ask some questions like what are list the recent list, um, summary of Neuro Wallet. So when the GitHub is connected, Neurovault can fetch the repository and analyze commits and summarize pull request and convert the engineering activity into an enterprise memory. So this memory is then stored in zero-G storage and becomes searchable through the AI Copilot. And you can see, yeah, like it will be show what are the things like the last 5 commits from the our zero-G like in Miro wallet. So you can see like if it has been like I've been changed MIT badge and license section and updated the README file. So the same thing like it has been showing over here and activity summary and the reason activity like has a primary focus on updating and refine like the project documentation. So the another important feature like you can have several features in it. So for a demo like I'm only showing this one. And in the future like I have a plan to add lots of integration like Stack, Notion, Linear, and Stripe and OpenAI, Salesforce, CRM, and Snowflake. Like everything like will be like rolling out one by one. So let me go to the next important feature like it's a AI like a marketplace where the organization can install and specialize agents such as DevOps agent and Atlas agent, like lots of agent like based on their each specific use case like DevOps support analyst or knowledge security sales. So from the backend perspective, the activity combines a decentralized storage, multiple like multi-agent orchestration and encrypted memory pipelines and on-sign identity and AI reasoning enterprise knowledge integration. So the long-term vision of Neurovault enterprise is to become the precise memory layer of enterprise AI powered by decentralized infrastructure using zero-G network. So you can also see like you can create a new agent like so let me create a custom agent support agent, and you can see your my wallet ID, and you can see it will use the so I'm giving the long-term cognitive storage on zero-G, like where the agent will be use zero-G stored data. So once it's create a deploy agent, yep, and then you can see in dashboard an active agent is there. If I go to the memory, you can see list recent commit where the before I have asked some question to our AI copilot. So now the conversation was stored in zero-G as a memory. So whenever a new conversation begin, our agent will use this conversation memory for everything like a backup source. So yeah, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to build this amazing project in zero G integration. Thank you. And also, I have added the smart contract thing in GitHub. So this is my GitHub, like in-depth GitHub readme where you can see the system architecture, like high-level architecture and infrastructure architecture and the system flow. And I've also mentioned like where the each model use like the each integration with the where the code of the specific file was present and a small content detail. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to build this project.